Hey guys, it's Peachy. I want to tell you a little bit about what wholesalers you should be dealing with and what wholesalers you shouldn't be dealing with. Okay, so without getting into a whole, trash talking of this company, right? Don't deal with them. This is a good example of a company not to deal with. Dixie Belle Paint Company. Okay, this is a company that is very specific. You can't sell on Amazon. You have to buy a huge package worth thousands of dollars in order to even get started. If you want to be a premier seller and sell all their products, you have to spend even more. And then if you don't sell a certain amount every month, like $1,000 every month of their paint, they start emailing you and kind of threatening you basically that they're going to take your account away. And then if you don't purchase the new products that come out that are required for to be a premier retailer, they take your premier status away. It's not a good company to deal with as far as being a dealing with a wholesale company. That's not who you want to deal with. You want to deal with companies that you can sell where you want to sell. You can call and say, I need a case of this, case of this. That's how most wholesalers work. This wholesaler or brand is just not who you want to deal with. So don't deal with Dixie Belle Paint. Okay? Here is a good example of who you want to deal with. Okay? EE Distribution, which is Entertainment Earth, toys, collectibles, stuff like that distribution page. You get an account, you can buy whatever you want. They will tell you what their best sellers are. Okay, you can add them to the cart. It shows you clearly. You get a discount for buying more cases. If you want to go over and let's say go to, let's look at Pop. They have a Pop shop. Funko Pop. Okay. So if you look at like their Pop stuff, because Pop figures always sell, right? If you look at their Pop stuff, come on, come on, come on. Okay. It will show you, you can filter by theme, product type, best sellers, date received, low to high money, high to low money. Okay. So you can buy whatever you want. You can buy, I think there's 6 in a case. Yeah, there's 6 in a case. So if you just want to buy a case of 6 of this, it's going to cost you $7.90, which is going to be $47.40 for the case. You buy a case of this one, a case of this one, a case of this one. You don't have to buy, a certain package. They're not going to tell you what you can or can't buy like this company. You don't want to deal with companies that tell you what you can and can't buy. I mean, unless they're like the hottest selling items in the world, which these aren't, you don't want to deal with companies like that. You want to deal with companies where you can buy what you want. If you drop ship, okay, you want to deal with companies that will drop ship this case to where you want it to go. If you want to sell a case of these directly to your client, I'm not sure if EE Distribution does that, but some companies do. You can just actually sell a case to your client and have your supplier ship it directly to your client. Okay, having said that, those are the kind of wholesalers to look out for. Make sure to join the Facebook group, Poochie's Pack. There is a link down below in the description of the video. There's also a link. You can subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, tell your friends, and in the Poochie's Pack there's also a link to, or there's going to be links to my bootcamp courses. I have one for eBay manual drop shipping. I have one for Amazon drop shipping. I also have one that we're wrapping up right now, which is how to sell on Poshmark. Lots of good courses and boot camps, and cheap, and some of them are actually free. Also, you can sign up to be a vendor for the cyber distributors company, wholesale company that we deal with. So yeah, sign up, join us on Facebook. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, post them below, and I'm happy to answer them when I can. Thanks everybody for watching.